Hey there! The other day I was reading an article titled "Things People Think Are the Same But Are Totally Different." They had stuff like chocolate cake versus devil food cake, concrete and cement, grocery store and supermarket. The internet says there are differences. And since I think of myself as a scientist, especially when it comes to yummy desserts, I figured I'd conduct a little taste test for us, for science, obviously. As for the other stuff, I'll just take the word of the internet. You know they're always right. Speaking of things that seem the same but aren't, let's compare remodeling, renovation, and restoration. A lot of insurance agents lump them together, but they're not interchangeable. Let's break this down. We'll start with remodeling and renovation. Generally, renovation is more surface level. Think of painting, changing light fixtures, updating flooring, replacing kitchen cabinets or bathroom cabinets without moving any plumbing. Remodeling, on the other hand, is more of a transformation. So that could be anything from adding or removing walls, rerouting plumbing or electric for new fixtures, building an addition, the big stuff. Now here's the twist. Zurich's Builder's Risk program treats remodeling and renovating the same. The premium will vary depending on the type of work being done. I made a video for this a little while back, and you'll find a link to it at the end of this video. But restoration is a whole different slice of cake. Maybe strawberry. Renovating and remodeling involve removing the old and replacing with new. Restoration involves returning the structure to its original glory. The construction is super tricky, and here's why restoration projects usually don't qualify under Zurich's program. First, restorations often require rare and antique materials, and those are difficult to source. Second, very skilled and specialized contractors are often needed to do the work. They're hard to come by, and the vetting process can be even more complicated. And third, it's very difficult to price the materials, and Zurich doesn't offer an agreed amount endorsement. So now you know. Turns out not all remodeling projects are the same. Now back to the real experiment. Time for me to find out if these two heavenly slices actually taste different. Wait, where's the milk? Ah, perfect. Till next time.